Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint Treasure NFTs. First, ensure your digital wallet is set up and funded with the required cryptocurrency, typically magic tokens. Next, navigate to the official Treasure marketplace or a specific project's minting page. Always verify the authenticity of the site to avoid scams. You'll then connect your wallet and prepare to interact with the smart contract. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth minting experience. Once on the minting page, locate the Mint button. Clicking this will prompt your connected wallet to open, displaying the transaction details. Carefully review the amount of magic tokens being spent and the estimated gas fees. Gas fees can fluctuate, so be prepared for variations. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. After confirmation, the blockchain will process your request, and your new NFT will appear in your wallet shortly. Before minting, research the project thoroughly to understand its roadmap and community. Check the total supply of NFTs and the minting price, which might be, for example, 25 magic tokens. Be mindful of potential network congestion, which can drive gas fees higher. It's often wise to mint during off-peak hours if possible. Always double-check the contract address if you're interacting directly with a smart contract. After a successful mint, your NFT will be visible in your connected wallet, often under a Collectibles or NFTs tab. You can also view it on marketplaces like the Treasure Marketplace or OpenSea by connecting your wallet. From there, you can choose to hold your NFT, list it for sale, or transfer it to another wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.